Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect Character AI to Discord. So first, if you don't have an account yet, then you have to go to Character AI and then you will see this one. And all you have to do is to sign up. You can continue with your Google account, you can continue with Apple, or continue with your email. But for me, the easiest way to sign up to Character AI is to continue with your Google account. So of course, they will ask for your birthday as much as possible. You must be 18 above. So add or input your birthday and then tap continue. Now wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, this is your Character AI dashboard or interface. And what you're going to do here is to simply create AI. But what is this Character AI? So, Character AI refers to artificial intelligence systems designed to simulate human-like characters that can engage in natural language conversations. So here you have to create an AI first. Tap character here, enter the name of your AI. Everything is up to you. And then for a tagline, you can add something like good guy. Okay, so for description, you must add something about your character AI. So I have added my character AI's personality. Okay, you can also add something here like greetings, and then you can add more like voice. And of course, for visibility, you can set this to public. Okay, so you can add voice right here. Choose a voice for your AI. So if you like this, then tap select, and then that's it. So more options. You can see more options here. You can add history or background of your character AI. But actually, this one is optional. Then you can add this, okay? And then visibility, like what I have mentioned earlier, you can set this to public, unlisted, and private. And then after that, you can now create this AI. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Then you will see your character AI right here. Okay, so this is my character AI Ariel. And then as you can see, someone can start having conversation with your character AI. The next thing to do here is what we're going to do is we're going to go to Discord. If you don't have a Discord account, you need to create a new one. So let me open a new tab right here and then type Discord. Here you can click login, and then if you don't have an account yet, then you must create an account. Okay, add name. You just have to enter information right here and then click continue. And then this is my Discord account. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a channel first or server first. To do that, you have to create this plus icon and then create a new server. For example, this one is for my own, for my club, and then you can add the name of the server. You can add it at one. This is what it looks like. What we're going to do is we're going to copy the link of your character AI here by tapping these three dots. Tap this one and then click copy link and then paste it here. For example, you have sent this to your friend or someone. And then once that friend or someone or a group member here tap this link, it will take them directly to your character AI. Then they can start having conversation with each other. Basically, that's how to connect or to add your character AI to your Discord and share this to anyone. But basically, maybe you think of how to really connect that character AI to your Discord. I will be showing you a few instructions and steps on how to connect your character AI to Discord. But before that, let me show you first the results. So suppose that I am a friend or a member of that Discord channel or server. So I click the link. Now I can start my conversation with Ariel, the AI character that I have created. Okay, so this is what it looks like if you tap that link. Basically, that's how to add your character AI or connect your character AI to your Discord. So number one, create a Discord bot. Go to the Discord developer portal and log in. Click on new application and give your bot a name and go to the bot section. Click on add bot. Once the bot is created, you'll receive a token. So you have to give this because you're going to use that to authenticate your bot. Number two, set up your AI character. You can use a language model like Opens AI GPT and then generate responses. Number three, write the bot code. So you will need a basic script to connect the AI to your Discord bot, which I'm going to show you later. Okay, so here's an outline of how to structure it. You need to install necessary libraries, for example, Discord.py or Py for interacting with Discord and requests for making API calls. Okay, so you will use Python this time. So you need to set up a Python script here. And then there is this instruction on how to do that. Import Discord, import request, client Discord, that client. So you have to follow this one. I mean, you have to copy this code. So okay, so as you can see, you need Python or you need to set up a Python script. And after you copy this code, you need to copy this code. So in this code, the bot listens for a command like slash ask followed by the user's input. It then sends that input to the AI model to get a response and post the AI's reply back in the Discord channel. But you must know first how to set up Python, and then if you want to see this code right here, you can go to ChatGPT and ask a code for this. And all you have to do is to
Now,
copy
last
that
thing to
one.
do is you need to invite the bot to your Discord server.
So in the Discord developer portal, go to this section, then URL generator. Under scopes, select bot. Under bot permissions, choose appropriate permission like sending message. Copy the generated link and paste it into your browser to invite the bot to your server. And then last, number 5, host your bot. For the bot to run continuously, you need to host it on a cloud server like Heroku, AWS, or Replete. Push your bot code to the platform, ensuring that your API keys are kept secure. You can use environment variables to hide them. So basically that's it. And if you want to know more about this one, you can ask ChatGPT for this. But you need to be expert or you know what or how to set up Python. And all you have to do is to copy the code and then follow the instruction. By that, you can simply connect your character AI to your Discord. So basically, that's how easy it is. What I've showed you earlier is also how to connect your character AI, but in that way, just a conversation if you share that AI or character AI's link to someone or to your Discord server. If someone click that, then they can talk to that character AI. But if you're looking for something like this, then all you have to do is to follow what I've mentioned earlier, and that is to set up your Python first and then copy this code and follow the rest of the instruction. So if you want to see more of tutorials like this, just visit our channel. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe and see you again in our next video tutorials.